Hi, I'm Matt Lewis with MLF Legal. We're continuing our series on general terms and issues in the workers' comp system. Today is video number 17 in the series, and our topic today is the accrual date. And this is relative to the income benefit video that Daniel started last week. So if you want to have any idea about when you're owed workers' compensation benefits and for how long they're going to last, then you're going to have to understand what the accrual date is. An injured worker's accrual date is the day that benefits become payable. For instance, temporary income benefits are paid when an injured worker can't go to work because of a work injury. And these benefits are not owed until the 8th day of disability. And that 8th day is the accrual date. That's when benefits are paid. Now, if you never lose time from work because of your injury, then there will never be an accrual date on your claim. Now, benefits begin on the accrual date. Generally, injured workers are eligible for benefits to replace lost wages for up to 104 weeks. That's 2 years. And this 104-week period begins on the accrual date, not the date of injury. So if you miss work for 8 straight days after your work accident, then your 104 weeks starts on that 8th day that you missed from work. And if you only miss 4 days of work after your accident, then your 104-week period to be eligible for lost wages doesn't start running until you miss 4 more days from work, whenever that is. Now, all injured workers are eligible for temporary income benefits, impairment income benefits, and supplemental income benefits for up to 401 weeks. So we're flipping it around. 104 weeks on lost wages, 401 weeks overall. And if you have a specific injury, meaning an injury that occurred at a specific time and place, like picking up a box and hurting your back, then your 401 weeks is counted from your date of injury. And this is where things change. If your injury is an occupational disease, like a sickness from mold exposure or an injury from repetitive trauma, then your 401 weeks is counted from your accrual date. And this means that an occupational disease case is potentially eligible for benefits for a much longer time period than a specific injury. So the accrual date controls the beginning and the duration of benefits. And if you have questions about how your accrual date affects your right to benefits, we want to be your law firm. Remember to work safe, but if an accident happens, call MLF Legal.